Question 13. What is the sum of the external angles of a pentagon? Now, if you just have a look at the animation that's on the screen at the moment, you'll see that the angles that are in blue outside of each shape, they are the external angles or exterior angles. Now, if you imagine shrinking the shape down until you virtually can't see the shape, so imagine a tiny triangle, a tiny pentagon, and a tiny hexagon, you will see that the external angles all join together to make a circle. So I'm just going to pause that now on when the shapes are shrunk down. So let's pause that. So yeah, so this one on the left was a triangle. This one was a pentagon. And this one was a hexagon. Now, as you can see, no matter what the shape is, you could always draw a circle around the exterior angles because these angles were all exterior angles. So the sum is what they add up to. So the sum of the external angles of a pentagon, that's this one in the middle, these are all the external angles and they all add up to a circle. They all fit together to make a circle. So basically the answer is 360 degrees. But it would have been 360 degrees, whichever shape we would have chosen. It would have been 360 degrees for the triangle. It would have been 360 degrees for the hexagon. What would have been a harder question is if it said, what is one external or exterior angle? Because then, for the triangle, you would have had to have done 360 divided by 3, because there are 3 angles. For the pentagon, you would have to have done 360 divided by 5, because there are 5 exterior angles. And for the hexagon, you would have done 360 divided by 6. So it's worth just noting what those would actually be, because sometimes you do get asked that as well. So 360 divided by 3 is 120 degrees, which makes each one of these 120. 360 divided by 5, if you work it out, would be 72, which makes each one of these 72. Each exterior angle of a pentagon is 72. And for a hexagon, each exterior angle is 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. So each one of these will be 60. So to get any exterior angle, you just basically do 360 divided by how many sides that the shape has got.